The significant enhancements for the Galaxy S25 Ultra are very shocking. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the first product in a former Mercedes-Benz designer's mission to redefine and revitalize Samsung's brand, according to insiders. This implies that while the S24 Ultra and S25 Ultra will likely have different designs, Samsung will undoubtedly continue to use the S25 Ultra's flat display. Beyond style, Samsung plans to significantly alter the Galaxy S25 Ultra's cameras and battery life. The charging speed of devices from the Galaxy S series remains constant compared to the previous few years. We learned earlier in the year that a 65-watt fast charger will now be supported by Samsung's charging parts supplier. Although many began anticipating an S24 Ultra, one never materialized. As opposed to the S24 Ultra's 45-watt fast charger, the S25 Ultra will be the first Galaxy phone with a 65-watt fast charger. Samsung ought to provide us with a larger battery in the S25 Ultra. If they alter the design, we may witness a much-needed battery boost. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's performance is the reason I'm concerned about battery life. Surprisingly, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's 3nm process allows it to reach a peak clock speed of 4 GHz, which is significantly faster than the 3.3 GHz that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 can achieve on the S24 Ultra. The source claims that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will not have any low performance ratings. Instead, medium performance scores will take their place, and the fastest core will have a clock speed of 4 GHz. They even possess the first Geekbench score results. The performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is far superior to that of the iPhone 15 Pro Max A17 Pro. The former's multi-core score is 10,628, while the latter's is 7,249 in the S24 Ultra. Some have also suggested some significant improvements to the S24 Ultra's camera capabilities. Although early reports indicate that the 200-megapixel primary camera resolution will remain unchanged, the S25 Ultra will include a significant update to its ultra-wide sensor. Unverified speculations suggest that the next Galaxy handset would have a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor instead of the 12 megapixels found on prior models. From a 10-megapixel 10x telephoto sensor to a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto sensor, there has already been a significant change in the telephoto sensor's resolution. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.